Hello YouTube. Today I am going to show one of the websites that I use to earn extra money online. I will provide all of the links on the description box down below. This website is called Earnably. There are a lot of ways to earn, and feel free to try other offers that you like to do. I love earning passively, and I will show you how I earn with this website. With this, you can potentially earn up to $2 per day just by watching advertisements. This is one of the ways I was able to save up for a new laptop that I got basically for free. You will need a computer or laptop with a browser, preferably Chrome, that has Flash enabled and unlimited Wi-Fi. This computer must be running for a long time to earn the most. You can let the computer earn while you go do something else. I think they have a limit of 1 account per household. I also think that the user must be at least 18 years old and above to join. I use 2 laptops to earn with this website. I know for sure that this is available in the US, and I am not sure if you can use it in any other countries. First, let me show you how to join. Click the link on the description box below. You will see a website that looks like this. Go ahead and click sign up. Create your account and fill up the necessary details. When you finish creating your account, go ahead and log in, and don't forget to verify your account. They should send you an email and you can click on a link that will verify your account. Once logged in, this is how it looks like. How I earn. I earn by playing videos and watching advertisements in between the videos. To do this, hover on the Earn drop-down menu on the top beside the Earnably logo and click Videos. This is how it looks. Then choose EngageMe.tv and choose a channel. I usually choose App Trailers since it has the shortest videos, so you will earn faster. This will open another tab and will start to play videos. Every time you get an advertisement you will earn points. Redeeming. Payout usually takes about a week, and they will notify you via email when it arrives. On the main page, choose Redeem at the top. You can choose between PayPal, Amazon gift card, or any of the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The $5 cash out is the one with the highest point per dollar conversion rate, basically $1 equals 100 points. I just cash out at $5 with 500 points on either PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift card. For my Bitcoins I just choose the one which uses Coinbase, not the one which uses a wallet address. Once you have chosen your preferred payment, click on Redeem Now button. Let me show you how this looks like on the website. Now let me show you my payment log, and this is proof that I have made money from this website. Before your payment turns into the process status, it will show as pending. If the status is still pending, you can still cancel that payment if you decide that you want another cash out method. This is my activity log. As you can see, I have been making 0.8 points every now and then with EngageMe.tv of trailers. And that is it. Have fun earning with Earnably. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comment section down below. And I will answer your question as soon as I possibly can. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and smash that red subscribe button.